Laguna Beach today. We're going to the Sawdust Festival. We have a bunch of friends who have booths at this art festival, so come with us and check it out.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Es uno de mis mejores amigos.
Mi name is Isaac. Who are you? Come on in. I have a bunch of tickets. Hi. How are you? Good. What's your name? Taller than you. You are. Don't get taller than me. You are getting tall.
Yeah.
You are too. Okay, come in, everyone. Open.
Yeah. There's 9 of them. Oh, that is cool. What was today?
First day of middle school.
And how did it go?
Great.
Great. Ruled it. What are you? You're now officially a...
Middle schooler.
I know, but what's your mascot? What are you?
Coyote.
All right, Coyotes over here, Panthers over here.
You're in
7th and 8th
grade? I actually remember 7th grade. That's scary.
And look, Stinky's trying to copy your hair.
Oh, good. Keep it going.
He refused.
And the dog is adorable.
Do you comb it sometimes?
Nope.
No, it's like feel it. It's probably the same texture
We have a
as
puppy
yours.
whose name's
Everything.
Yeah, that's the trick. Don't comb it.
That's Friday.
Oh, really? Oh, wow.
He's black and he has white.
Is it a pit bull? That's good.
Coachhound de Julia.
Hot dog.
I've never heard of that.
Yeah, everyone back there. It's time to cut the talk and start the walk.
Yeah, baby. Let's do it.
No son fotos. Alguien dibujó con una... Increíble, ¿no? Spectacular.
We are gonna see some glass blowing. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And click the bell. Ooh, look at this, I love it.
Look at that.
Hey, you perfectly got it on camera.
So we're checking out the glass blowing at the Sawdust Art Festival. Check it out, guys. Are they cleaning up?
Yeah.
Well, we can come back.
So we are here, and there is a beautiful art. There is a little wheel that spins water, a lake so you can drop your coins in, and most of all, the circle of life.
Wow.
We're gonna go look at Mr. Micheal's art.
How are you?
Good, how you doing, Mike?
Good. You got this is your backup. This is your audio guy.
As a reminder, this is Mr. Micheal. We visit him every year. Whoa, look at all this cool art. This is some of the most original, coolest stuff out there.
You have to see this. Look at it.
I will, hold on.
It is
There
a
we
wheel.
go. Hold on.
Look at that.
Oh yeah, look at that. This art, we always love coming to look at his stuff.
Favorite one.
There's all kinds of fun stuff that you can buy here.
I know this
Yeah.
Okay,
And
so
it has their nicknames. Oh yeah.
Okay, you're gonna see the outfit.
Yep.
So
I love this one.
blue,
I love this one. Look at that.
3PO are some of those Star Wars outfits. Watch this, ready? Here are the beautiful outfits and accessories. Wait, what?
What?
Wait. Look at the princesses.
and then the horizon lines go to these like this. It creates a block in either direction that you're headed, creating these little blocks for you. So as you keep drawing these things, to like be able to do anything you want to do, especially within a scene. So it's really cool that you're already kind of working on that. I draw through this. You're trying to pinpoint, like, even for someone like me that's been doing this for a long time, prospectively, these guys, if you can keep doing these and get them so that they can actually look like you're taking on a really difficult problem. It's gonna make you better.
Checking out the glass blowing at the Sawdust Art Festival.
It's a little hot. You can see it moving around a little bit, and it's almost like trying to keep it on the rotation a little bit.
It's hot, right? Qué cool.
We haven't gone by Uncle Isaac's booth yet.
Almost like, okay, there is stuff, this, and she said chicken nuggets.
We got nachos with some toppings.
Beans, cheese, salsa, and sour. No, not salsa, sorry.
Nice.
Thank you. This is so good.
Is it good?
They disappear.
Art break. What you doing, bud?
Drawing.
All right, let's go. Asher.
We're gonna check out Uncle Isaac's booth.
Come back one more time before the show's over. It goes for 3 more weeks. Ezra will be. Belly fat right now. Oh, you did? Not very much. Because it's just. I
It costs time. Hey, buddy.
Dad,
The value of art is time because it takes years to learn how to do stuff like this and get it to a point where you can make something that other people can't make And if you have a skill that can produce something that other people can't produce, then you can sell it.
So that canvas, which was given to me, or I found it in the alley, even to go buy a canvas is kind of expensive, but I make my own panels, so they're pretty cheap. They're
But it's not even the time of building it, it's the time to get to 44 years old
there we go. It's a little more than
and to have the skill.
There's a lot of learning. Even now, there's things. The other day I came and I started getting ready to plaster something, and then I looked and all my plaster was kind of foamy and it had little air bubbles in it, and I realized I didn't bring the plaster. I brought a different chemical that looked like plaster. Fortunately, I knew right away something was not right. So we corrected that problem. Yeah, so even the plastering it's not like I just go to the store and that's the plaster I have to go.
Texture art.
So there's a lot of things that you just kind of build on. It's like soccer.
I need to know, is this 3,200 or 32?
Yep. That gives you an idea of how long it took for Isaac to learn how to do this and get it just right so you could sell it.
But if I was really desperate and needed the money, I would sell it for $32. It just depends on how desperate I am. Depends on how desperate I am.
What's the story behind this one right here?
Put for 1 Bitcoin. That's what I want to actually put on there, just 1 Bitcoin.
What's the story behind this one right here?
Micheal, no, it's Micheal was just here. Can you remember Asher? Can you tell your dad? It was a relief.
He made a painting of like a person coming out of the painting. Then he ripped it into the person out, and this is what was left.
Oh, cool.
Tell your dad the title.
Wonderful Counselor.
Ooh. Prince of Peace. Very cool. What do you think, Judah? You ready to get into art?
No. I'll stick with flipping furniture.
Oh, are you flipping furniture right now?
You started doing
Oh,
that.
that's fun.
Right
That's a
now,
good
I'm
hustle.
trying to get this one table.
That's a good start.
All right, we're just leaving Sawdust Festival. We had fun looking at a bunch of different booths and visiting with some of our friends we've made over the years by going every year. Including when Sebastian was here visiting, we took him as well. But super fun. I'm going to include information about two of the artists that we're friends with, so you guys can look at their stuff. Isaac does more stuff that adults would put on a feature wall, and then Micheal does stuff that's more fun, more like cartoon stuff for kids, but also it has like some cool stuff for adults in his art as well. You can check it out online. It's super cool. So anyway, we want to finish by saying don't forget to like and subscribe.
And click the bell for more notifications.
Boom.